Isn't this fantastic? I've just cycled up from a town called Mori, up a very long country road, and then took a hike down into this, towards this river and this waterfall, and you can see people are down here fly fishing. Oh, isn't that wonderful? Well, I've had a nice 10 minutes relaxing next to this river. The fishermen have caught a couple of fish and have thrown them back in. The water's icy cold, but fantastic on my feet. I'd love to swim in it. I really would. I'm so hot. This is fantastic. Just why I do this is to find these gems and this waterfall. About 70 kilometers from Hakodate, and yes, I've got to cycle all the way back now, but this has been well worth it. Terrific.